Hi everyone, today let's see how to make jackfruit rice cake, or it's also called as Ponsache Patolli in Konkani or Halasina Kadubu in Kannada. So we can do this dish using variety of jackfruits, the soft one or the hard ones or even the colored ones. But today I chose to use what I got from the market. And to do this dish we even need banana leaves or the plantain leaves. So let's see how to prepare this. So what I've done is I've got around 200 to 300 grams of jackfruit. I've thoroughly washed it and I've removed all the seeds and kept it aside. So now we are going to grind these jackfruits along with the rice, which is pre-soaked. I've soaked around 5 to 6 hours. I've taken 1 cup of boiled rice and 1 cup of white rice, and to this I'll add 5 or 6 cardamoms and then 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you feel the jackfruit is too sweet, do not add the sugar, or you can add jaggery too. And then 1 tablespoon of coconut. So we need coconut at the end also, while just putting it before into the plantain leaves. So we need 2 kinds of coconuts here, one to grind and one cut pieces just to add it to the batter. So now once I've ground the batter, I've added into kadai and I'm going to make it a little more thicker. Some people use this directly, a thin version, onto the banana leaves, and that works when you have a bigger banana leaves. Since I didn't get it in the market, I'm going to heat it and make sure the dough is a little more pasty. It's a little more hard and pasty, so that I can work around with the dough a little more easily. And one more thing is I've ground here very coarsely, not very fine paste, because I feel the coarse one gives more taste to it. And again I've added another tablespoon of sugar because I felt the sugar is a little more less. And then I've added a little more of salt, 1 or 2 pinches of salt. And then finally I'm going to add the cut coconut. So this coconut, which is cut into small pieces, also gives a good taste, and otherwise it will be very plain while eating. So I prefer adding the cut coconut pieces, and then stir for a little more time, and make sure you keep stirring because otherwise it may get charred in the bottom. So once it's dry, you can see now the consistency is turned out a little dry and pasty. It's a little sticky and it's easy to work around. Now once it's ready, I have already washed the banana leaves and I've cut into half, and I'm going to spread it now onto these banana leaves. So you can use your hand or spoon. Hands are better so that you can easily spread. So once I spread onto the banana leaves, you can see I had only few banana leaves, so I'm going to spread it all over. I've cut these into maybe 1 banana leaves into 4 or 8, 6 pieces, and then I've spread it like this, and I'm going to close it. If you have a bigger leaf, you don't have to make it so thick. You can make it a little more thinner and then cover it with all 4 sides so that it doesn't come out. But here I've used this method, and then once all are ready, I'm going to put it in a steamer and steam for around 40 to 45 minutes on a high flame without interruption. So let's keep it one by one and steam it for 45 minutes continuously. Make sure you add appropriate water into steamer so that it can steam up to 45 minutes. And now you can see the leaves are very fresh and green, but once after 45 minutes are done, you can see the color of the leaves have changed to darker colors. You can see now it's done. So if you keep it continuously for 45 minutes, you don't have to worry if it is done. It will be completely cooked, and then this can be served with hot tea or coffee. It can be used for snacks or even for the morning breakfast. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hi everyone. Today let's see how to make jackfruit